Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Digital to Real. Today we are going to design a BCD2 7-segment LED decoder. So the BCD output which comes out of the digital ICs cannot be directly driven to the display units. Where do we use the display units? We use the display units in computers. We use the display unit in calculators. So we cannot drive the BCD output directly to them. For that purpose, we are using display decoder. So here is the display decoder. So inputs to the BCD to 7-segment decoder is 4 inputs, M and OP. While the output to the 7-segment elements are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now, for the 7-segment display, we are using a common cathode 7-segment element. So, here is the common cathode. So, for all the elements, cathode of all the diodes, you see for A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Cathode of all the diode are connected to the ground, while anodes are connected to the respective positive values or illuminated elements A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we are going to making use of the common cathode 7-segment display and write the truth table. Now we are going to see how the numbers will look up when the elements of the 7th segment, I will lit it up. Now how you see, for 1 it would look, B and C would be 1. Just see, whichever element you want to make it on, you have to provide 1 to it. So for 0, A, B, C, D, E, F. For A, B, C, D, E, F for 0, how it would look? Look like this. For 3, 2. A, B would be on, D would be on, E would be on and G would be on. For 3, A would be on, B would be on, C would be on, D would be on and G would be on. For 4, F would be on, G would be on, B and C would be on. Now for 5, A would be on, C would be on, D would be on, F would be on and G would be on. For 6, except B, all it would be on. All the elements would be on. For 7, A, B, C. Now for 8, all the elements would be on. For 9, except E, all the elements would be on. So now I will translate it into the truth table. Let's see how it looks. Now here we are constructing the truth table. Here M and OP, 4 BCD input, 0 to 9 digit. And here is the 7-segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7-segment outputs. What would be the value to the A, B, C, D, E, F, G elements of the 7-segment? So for 0, except G, all would be 1. In order to represent 1 in BCD, what we will have, B and C will be 1. All others would be 0. In order to represent 2, except C and F, all values will be 1. In order to represent D, in order to represent 3, 0, 0, 1, 1 BCD, what would be the A to G value? Except E and F, all would be lit. In order to represent 4 in decimal, 0, 1, 1, 0 BCD, what would be the value of A to G? 4, 4. Except A, D and E, all would be 1. In order to represent the decimal digit 5, M and OP, The BCD is 0, 1, 0, 1. A to G, if you see the values to it, B would be 0 and E would be 0, except that all would be 1. For 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. A would be 1, B is 0 and all others are 1. For 7, M is 0. You see 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. BCD, what would be the A to G? What would be the A to G? ABC is 1 and all others are 0. In order to represent 8, which is in decimal, in BCD 1000, all A to G, all are 1. 9. 1001 BCD, and except E, which is 0, all others are 1. Now we have to make K-map in order for each of the elements. For A to G, for each of the elements based on M and OP, we have to write the K-map. Let's do how to do that. Let's see how to do that.